Good afternoon, students. So, welcome to once again online final class by Rohit sir. So, students, in our today class, we are going to continue our last chapter, chapter number 6, and the name of the chapter is Modern Trends in Indian Art. So, students, today we are going to discuss about in detail the artists of modern art. So, first is Raja Ravi Verma. So Raja Ravi Verma belonged to the royal family of Travancore, present day Kerala state in India. He got primary education of painting from his uncle and in oil painting from Dutch portraitist Theodore Jensen. Raja Ravi Verma copied Indian theme into European style by his own technique which he expertise in oil. He gave new dimension to Indian art by the combination of specific elements of painting based on epics and Puranas. He presented Indian women as a typical feminine through his painting to the world. His paintings can be classified into three categories, in which first is portraits, portrait based compositions, and theatrical composition based on myths and legends. Students, the most popular as well as the most impressive paintings of Raja Ravi Verma that falls under this category include the ones depicting episode from the story of Dushyant and Shakuntala and that of Nala and Damayanti. Students, the ones from the Hindu epic Ramayana include Lord Rama's trump over Varuna, which we discussed previously in the paintings, the very first painting of the modern art, and Ravana's expression of ignorance while clipping one of the wings of Jatayu from the another painting. Also in many of his paintings, he has modeled Hindu goddesses on the women living in the southern parts of India, for which he was criticized on various accounts. So students, this is the first biography and the detail of the artist Raja Ravi Verma, and the second artist who we are going to discuss, the name of the artist is Amrita Shergill, very talented Indian modern first woman painter of that era. Amrita Shergill, you can see the image of the painter Amrita Shergill on your screen. Amrita Shergill, who was born on 30 January 1913 to 5th December 1941, was an eminent Hungarian Indian painter. She has been called one of the greatest women artists of the early 20th century and a pioneer in modern Indian art. Shergill started art at the age of 8. She first gained recognition at the age of 19 for her oil painting, which she gave titled as Young Girls in 1932. Students, Amrita Shergill was born in Budapest in Hungary. Her mother was a Hungarian and father belonged to an Indian Sikh family. She studied art in Europe and got a special place in portrait painting in oil in the Western style. And now we have to discuss about the style of Amrita Shergill. So, she was inspired by the art styles of Cézanne and Gauguin two very familiar and most famous artists of the European era. So, who were the artists of Impressionism, and she took the inspiration of being a good artist and the depiction of her subjects with the use of very artistically a different style of color palette which she gave to her paintings. All the techniques and color style Amrita learned from these two artists. Students, she learned the solidity of nature from Cezanne, but Gauguin taught her how to use the Indian colors in a dramatic way and got a new modern style. She came to India in 1934. She took inspiration from the previous art prevailed in Ajanta caves and painted the rural life in her own style. Her famous paintings are Three Girls, Haldi Grinders, a red clay elephant, women resting in charpai, etc. So students, this is the description of the artistically, biographically about the artist Amrita Shergill. So hope so you will enjoy all the details about the two very talented artists of Indian contemporary modern art. So please go through these two artistic biography and search on the Google or YouTube to took all the hard works done by these artists. So thanks and have a nice day.